Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check product color for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Now, how to find product information? You have a few options. The first one, right here at the main menu, the status, we have three dots, you just tap on it, and here it is, we have product color. Also, the same menu we can find if we swap to the sound or to the settings, and right here on Apple devices we have at the left side, at the left top, this earbud icon. On Android devices you can get it at the right. You just tap on it, and right here we have at the bottom product color, so you tap on it, the same menu. And the third option is to go to the settings, then scroll down, so by default you will see this, and you just scroll down, go to more settings, device information, and the same product color. And now right here we have four colors, so select your or select color what you want to change, and just tap on it. And now we can close it, we change this color. As you can see, now I have gray. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.